Hello, welcome to another Coburn Supply Quick Tip from the Technical Service Department at Coburn Supply. My name is Jody LaPointe, and today we're going to be showing you how to update the Bluetooth firmware in the outdoor unit. First, we'll start by opening the Contractor app on your phone. Then click on the Service tab. Next, we'll click on Bluetooth Updates. On the next screen, we will select the product update. Then pick the unit that you're going to be updating. This time it's going to be the outdoor unit. Click on that. Then this confirms that you're connected. Next, we'll verify the model and serial number of the unit you're working on. Then we'll click Start Update. Next, it's going to ask you to verify the fan motor that's in the outdoor unit. This can be found on the motor data plate. Once that's done, the update is starting. Now it's applying all changes to the control board. Once it's complete, click Done. Check us out at www.coburns.com. Be sure to download our free Coburns Connect app at the App Store. Thank you.